Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I will be teaching you how to use your pen to circle or highlight a particular spot on an image and post on any social media platform using your phone. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Make sure that on your phone that you're having this image, this photos. Make sure that you're having these photos. Yes. So if you're having photos, then we can start. But if you don't have photos, and this is what you have to do. Okay. Now you come to your Play Store. Now let me look for my Play Store. Now come down to Play Store. Now this is my Play Store. Now I hit on my Play Store. Then I click on search. Okay, then search. Let me search for photos. Okay, now this is photos. This is photos. Now this is photos. Okay, now can you see it here? This one here, this Google Photos. Make sure you have these photos. This one that look like a fan. Okay, can you see it? This one that looks like a fan. So that is what you need. Okay, so in my own system, I have already downloaded it. It is already on my phone. Okay, now let's go. Now let us leave this area. Let us go to start using it. So now I now look for my photos. I click on my photos. Okay, then I come to collection or based on where your image is. So then let me click on this device. I click on this device. Then I choose to use this image. Now let me click on this image. Okay, now I want to circle this spider. This spider, can you see this black spider on this guy's shirt? So I want to circle only that spider. So how do we do that? Now you click on what? Click on edit. Can you see it? Click on edit. All right, now what you can do now is this place that you see suggestions. Okay, now you can use your finger to just scroll like this, scroll until you see what mark up. So once you see mark up, so what you do next is to click on what? Click on your pen tool. So click on this pen. So once you click on this pen, now you can now select any color, okay, that will be visible a lot, when you circle that spider. So okay, I choose to use white because white will be very visible when I use my finger to just circle it. So what I'll do next is, as you can see, this white circle is now bigger than every other colored circles, which means that white is being selected. So what we do next is use your finger to do what? To draw the circle. So now let me now draw the white circle to cover what? To cover the spider. Now this is it. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Yes. So I just circle the spider. Then if you're okay with it, then you click on what? On done. Can you see? When you click on done, the next thing you do is to click on what? Save copy. So when you click on save copy, now let's see. That's it, it's done. Now this is the original one here. Can you see it? Now this is the one now that you now send to any social media platform. Yeah, can you see it? So this one is now being saved on your phone. So guys, this is how you do that. Very, very simple. So you know what you do? Go and try it on your Android phone. If this works for you, you come back, come and like, you comment, you share, you follow me. Okay, ask questions. Yes, so that you get more tips from me. Subscribe and get more tips from me. This is your man, JT Igwe. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you and bye for now.